So error in measurement is that whenever we are measuring any value, let's say if I have phi as the length, okay, and I'm using a ruler which is having millimeter as the minimum value. Okay, so millimeter means I can say that it will be 0.1 centimeter. Okay, so when you are using that ruler which shows millimeter readings and it is 0.1 centimeter each of the dash which is there in the ruler, then we can say that it can have error up to 1 decimal place. So what is the meaning of that? I will divide this 1 decimal place by 2. I will get 0.05, and in my actual measurement, I will add plus minus 0.05, add or subtract. So my actual value, let's say that value is A, that will lie between 4.95 to 5.05. Okay, so in
Okay.
these interval or in these range of values, I will consider my value approximately equal to 5 and I will just take it as correct. Okay, so for all the measurements, we have to always consider uncertainty if we want more accurate readings. Okay, but every time
Yeah.
considering uncertainty is kind of impossible. So that's why we usually do it for these particular topics or when in a question it is mentioned. Otherwise, we take the absolute values only. Okay, so in
Okay.
general, error is this uncertainty which is involved in the measurement.